What is a handyman? A handyman is a maintenance and repair professional that is able to perform a variety of tasks. Some handymen are self-employed, while others are employed by construction companies or property managers. Handymen are able to work with other professionals such as electricians, carpenters, and plumbers to complete a wide variety of projects. These individuals may be involved in minor to medium-sized projects such as repairing leaks and putting up new doors and windows. They can also assist with large-scale, complex projects such as transforming a den into a master suite. As a general rule, a handyman can perform any type of maintenance and repair task around the home. This includes simple tasks such as painting and fixing gutters to more complex repairs such as tearing out a shower floor and redoing the plumbing. Depending on the job, handymen may work in indoor or outdoor settings, and they may need to use a ladder. The best part about having a handyman is that the cost is often very low. However, if you're going to hire a handyman, you'll want to do your homework. While a handyman can do a lot, there are some specialized jobs that require a licensed contractor. Although it may be difficult to find one, a specialized contractor can help you tackle your most daunting home improvement projects. An enticing way to start is to consider volunteering with a local construction company. It's also possible to find a mentor who can guide you through the process. Although some states mandate that a handyman must have a license to perform specific types of work, the legality of the work itself is often questionable. In California, for example, a handyman's license is not required for work less than $500, while the requirement increases to $1,500 for more elaborate jobs. Also, many handymen are not registered with any regulatory agency, so their business practices are more a matter of trust and good old-fashioned word of mouth. To get the most out of your investment in a handyman, you should take some time to ask questions and make sure your handyman is fully insured. You'll also want to check to see if they have references and a contract. Additionally, don't be afraid to ask for a quote. Many handymen will advertise their services on flyers in the neighborhood or on the phone book. Getting a quote is a great first step in finding a suitable handyman for your project. The best way to find a handyman is to ask people you know for recommendations. For example, if you're a landlord, you're likely to have direct contact with your property manager. When you're looking for a home improvement project, it's important to make clear what you want to achieve and to be honest with the person you're hiring. That way, the work will be done right and you'll get the most for your money. Even though there are many complexities involved in hiring a handyman, the rewards are well worth it. Hiring a reputable handyman can save you time, money, and stress.